Power Finance Corporation has appointed NBCC as the project management agency for implementing various CSR initiatives in different regions of the country. The total value of the awarded CSR projects stands at approximately 103.47 crore rupees, excluding GST. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has partnered with the IIT Madras to establish the Center for Next Gen Technologies for Robotic-Assisted Surgeries, named Yantras, at IIT Madras. The partnership was officially launched during the IIT Madras Technology Summit 2026 held at Bharat Mandapam under the theme From IITM for Bharat, Building Together. Bharat Electronics Limited has officially informed the BSE and NSE that the Board of Directors meeting is scheduled for Tuesday, May 19, 2026. The board will consider and approve the audited standalone and consolidated financial results for the quarter, Q4, and full financial year ended 31st March 2026, along with the recommendation of the final dividend for FY 2025-26. NHPC Limited participated in the study visit of the Standing Committee on Finance 2025-26 held at Gulmarg, Srinagar on May 6, 2026, where key discussions were held on the monitoring and appraisal of central sector infrastructure projects. Federal Bank Limited has informed stock exchanges that it has received approval from the Reserve Bank of India permitting Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited to acquire an aggregate holding of up to 9.99% of the paid-up share capital or voting rights in the bank. As investors seek stable income in a volatile market, all public sector undertakings continue to deliver attractive dividends. Backed by strong government ownership and steady cash flows from refining and exploration activities, several oil PSUs have emerged as reliable dividend payers in 2026. Bank of Maharashtra has inaugurated the new premises of its Thiruvananthapuram main branch under the Ernakulam zone, marking a step forward in strengthening its presence in Kerala. The branch was formally inaugurated by Anu Kumari, IAS, District Collector of Thiruvananthapuram. Power Finance Corporation has announced the incorporation of a new special purpose vehicle, Fatehgarh 2 Transmission Limited, through its wholly owned subsidiary, PFC Consulting Limited. The SPV has been created to support the development of a key transmission project involving the installation of synchronous condenser units at the 765/400/220 kV Fatehgarh 2 power station. Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited has signed a power purchase agreement with Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited for the upcoming Tato 1, Tato 2 and Heo hydroelectric projects. The agreement was formalized on May 5, 2026 and will remain in force for 40 years from the commercial operation date of the projects. Cochin Shipyard Limited has announced that its wholly owned subsidiary, Udupi Cochin Shipyard Limited, has secured a notable order for the construction of 4 azimuthing stern drive tugs. The order has been awarded by Ocean Sparkle Limited, an Adani Group company, according to a regulatory filing submitted to the BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited on May 7, 2026.